Experiencing cellular data problems on your iPhone or Android with T-Mobile? It often boils down to three core elements: APN settings, your SIM card, and carrier settings. Let's start with APN, or access point name. This is the gateway connecting your device to T-Mobile's internet. The correct APN, typically fast.tmobile.com, ensures proper data routing. Next, check your SIM card, the identifier on the network. Physical SIMs degrade and eSIMs can glitch. Try reseating a physical SIM or resetting your eSIM via the T-Mobile app. Finally, verify your carrier settings. These are firmware profiles optimizing your device for T-Mobile's network. Check for updates in your phone's settings. Addressing these points will resolve most issues. If basic troubleshooting doesn't work, try a network settings reset, which clears Wi-Fi, cellular, and VPN data without affecting personal files. For advanced diagnostics, T-Mobile offers a network diagnostic app, or you can use third-party apps like Speed Test by Ookla to check signal strength and latency. Looking ahead, AI-driven diagnostics are on the rise, with T-Mobile integrating machine learning to predict and prevent data failures, even alerting users to APN mismatches before data fails. In the future, satellite-assisted data is coming and will provide backup in dead zones. So while tech advances, understanding APN, SIM, and carrier settings is critical.